Does Instagram notify when you screenshot a story or a post? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we will find out, does Instagram notify when you take a screenshot of a story or a post from someone else's account? So the simple and straightforward answer of this particular question is that no. Instagram does not notify user when someone takes a screenshot of their stories or post. Instagram removed these notifications in the past to protect users' privacy, and Instagram stories are only live for 24 hours before they disappear unless they are saved to a highlight section. Screenshots allow users to save and revisit content after the 24 hours window has passed. So if you want to use images from Instagram stories, make sure you have permissions from the credit the original poster. So yeah, so you don't have to worry about whether you are taking someone's screenshot and screenshot of someone's stories or pictures, and whether they will get notified about that or not, because they will not. So you can be feel free and take the use of screenshots in order to have some future references for the post or the pictures that you would want to see in the future. So yeah, I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.